one of my favorite food trucks. I love in Visalia we have a huge diversity of food trucks, and you can find all the different pop-ups throughout the week. But this is one of my very, very favorites. So tell us your name, your business, what you're all about.
Oh yes, my name is Roel Pama. I'm the owner and the manager for Mr. Lumpia and More. We established at August 2019, and this will be our 4th year in Visalia.
That's awesome. So you were telling me earlier that you left a really good job, took a chance on yourself to follow your passion. What was that like? Like, how did you start part-time or did you dive right in? What happened?
Well, what happened is I work in Tulare County for almost 19 years, and I started this business, like I said, 2019. It's just a trial because most of my manager, when we have a IT camping, we do they require me to bring the lumpia for the food. So that's funny, and since then I keep noting everything. So the last thing I did is we went to New York and talked to the halal guy, and he said that you have to get the food truck instead of the restaurant because you have the time, you don't have the overheads.
Yeah.
That's really really good, and I do it part-time only after work. And since then, it feels like the love of cooking and everything. That's why it tends to finish my career in as an IT and then work as a food truck.
Yeah, that's really cool. So it just kind of happened for you because everyone loved your food.
Thank you.
That's really awesome, and we all love you in Visalia. I love to find you. Usually you're in the Sequoia Mall, you're always at the farmer's market on Saturdays.
All year round.
I always get lumpia even for breakfast on Saturdays. I always go to you, and then go to Cinnamon Roll Shack, and then go to Roots and get my curried chicken. Like, that's my breakfast every Saturday.
No, we appreciate your business, Stephanie, since the beginning. When you came here, that's why we had the Visalia Lab always there all the time, and sticker also on my food truck.
Thank you so much. I really, truly love you guys. So, okay, you make all the lumpia at home?
In the commissary, we roll it. Yes, and then after that, we put it in the freezer, and then that's how I put it out, and then make sure that everything is ready to go.
That's really fun. And then when you're here, you just fry it fresh to order?
Yes, and we do have 5 lumpia. Like I said, we got beef, chicken, pork and shrimp with vegetables, and a veggie.
And veggie, that's what I always order, veggie. Yeah, I always get 6 veggie. And you also do catering too, right?
Yes, we do. We did a lot of caterings, from birthdays to weddings, a lot of things, As long as you email us to Mr. Lumpia and More at gmail.com, I will be happy to assist you and communicate with you as much as we could.
I love it so much. What do you love most about Visalia?
Well, Visalia is a local build. I love it. It's so simple, and people are so good. And we've been here for almost 20 years. This is 20 years in October, and me and my wife settled here until now. So I love it. And having a local business here, support the local community, that's all it matters.
Yeah, I think Visalia is really great at supporting small and local businesses. Like, we love local, which is one of my favorite things. And I love talking to entrepreneurs. I love hearing the stories of people like taking a chance on themselves and their dreams and just making it happen.
That's correct, and that's true. And it says that what it is. It happens,
right?
Yes.
It's like so cool. I love the wrapping, and then here you can see all the different options and choices, and now you have hot chocolate, and then you order here, pick up at the side window. It's a very efficient, awesome system. Thank you so much.